before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Highlights -81. Shadows +60. Whites +8. Blacks +31. Go to Curve. Whites. Go to red color. Go to green color. Go to blue color. Go to color mix. And done. Go to color. Temp -3. Tint +5. Vibrance +30. Saturation +15. Go to color mix. Red color. Hue +23. Saturation +3. Luminance -36. Go to orange color. Hue -4. Saturation -10. Luminance +13. Go to yellow color. Hue -33. Saturation -40. Luminance +28. Go to green color. Hue -71. Saturation -59. Luminance -36. Go to aqua color. Hue +46. Saturation +18. Luminance +5. Go to blue color. Hue -10. Saturation -56. Luminance -14. Go to purple color. Hue +13. Saturation -53. Luminance +39. Go to magenta color. Hue +13. Saturation 51. Luminance +13. And done. Go to Effects. Clarity +4. Slide down. Go to Detail. Sharpening 34. Slide down. Color Noise Reduction 25. Go to Profiles. Slide down. Select Modern 7. Modern 7 by 86. And done. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.